Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. This is a quick unboxing of the King.C Gillette razor. These are available, this whole line, King.C Gillette, it's a new line from Gillette with beard balms and stuff like this, but I'm interested in the double-edged razor and the double-edged razor blades. These are available at the moment in the States from Walgreens. I'm hopeful that they're going to be available in the UK. I've read somewhere that they might be, but I've not had any confirmation of that. So this is a quick unboxing. Thanks very much to Ernie Rocha, who very kindly offered to send me this over from the States. So thank you, Ernie, I really appreciate that. Right, let's start off with the blades. I'll just show you the box. There's the King.C Gillette logo on the box. There we go. So there's 10 blades in here. Yeah, I'll just show you that. That's kind of probably what the blade looks like. So, established Boston 1901, 10 platinum coated blades. This box got a little bashed up in the shipping, but that's okay. You should still be able to read that. So they're made in Russia. And they actually have a date code on them. When they, I take it that's when they were made. 24th of the 3rd, 20. Right, okay, so these are the blades here. Yeah, nothing else much on the box. Yeah, this is their whole new line with their King.C Gillette logo. Right, so there's little tabs on the side here, so I'm just going to cut them open. Like so. I'll just open the box up here. Okay, there's the 2 packs of blades inside there. Yeah, very nice. I'll just take one out. Yeah, so they look like that. And yeah, a little bit bashed these ones, but that's okay. Fine grooming since 1901, and the same on the other side, and it has a little date code there. Yeah, so these are made in Russia, so a nice little package there. Yeah, so that's the blades. I'll just put that back on. Very nice. Right, now to the razor. Again, has the logo on the top there. And here, underneath there's a barcode. Same again on that. It has 1 double-edged safety razor, 5 platinum coated blades, and the signature there. And I'll just show you the back so you can read that. Yeah, and all the little blurb at the bottom. I know some people won't be happy at Gillette since their last advertising campaign. Some people just went right off them, but I don't mind it. A new razor is always good. There's a picture of it there. Right, okay, let's cut these little plastic tabs on the side. To one side. Right, here we go. Okay, so there it is there. That's the razor in the box with a pack of blades down the bottom there. Yeah, the same. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap these blades out. And I will, that little box, it's all bashed up. Right, so there it is there. There's the razor in the box. Kind of minimal packaging, so it would look like that. Yeah, right, here's the razor. Let me take this out. Right, it has the logo on the top of the head there. It's there's nice weight to it actually. It feels nice in the hand. Just going to screw that handle on right, that's not on right. But yeah, nice knurling here. The only thing is this bottom bit's rounded. So, you know, it won't stand up, as you could see. Yeah, but kind of looks like an R89 head again that they've went for. I'll just show it up close. Yeah, some people don't like these logos on the top. I don't mind. Right, so let's unscrew it. Right, I'll put all the dimensions and stuff of the razor along the screen at the bottom. Now I have seen this, so there's the head here. So it comes apart like that. Is there anything on this at all? No, nothing on this at all. That's all kind of just standard. But there's a little piece of paper here. Please read manual and remove paper before use. And I guess that's also in German at the top there. Yeah, so that comes on the head like that. You just take that off. There it is there. Me hitting the light. Right, there's a little mark under here that says G2. You just see that there? There's nothing else on the underside there. The handle feels nice, there's good weight to it. Balance point's probably about there. Maybe just a little bit further. Yeah, probably about there. It's quite hard to balance that. Yeah, probably there, look. So that's the balance point, just halfway kind of down the knurling on the handle. But good weight. Yeah, looks quite nice. Right, so that's the little unboxing video. Just a short video. I'll leave that there and I will go and get things ready and get a shave done with it, and I will film that. But that'll be a separate video. Right, okay, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.